Hi guys, if you are new to Autocad and it is your first day, so you are on the right spot. I'm gonna show you how we can start the Autocad and how we can use it. So first you have to take a command UN units and we will select here architecture and it will be lot easy for us to draw. And okay, now we can draw. You can also take F8 to make it vertical and it will be better. But when we take the dimension of it, it's not in inches, so we have a problem here. For this purpose, the one more necessary command is D, dimensions trial, and in that we will modify, and in modify we'll go to primary units and here we will select architecture layer, so our dimensions will be in the right size. So we will put OK on it, and if you want to change anything else like dimensions, thickness and length, otherwise it's OK. Now if I check the dimension here, it is in the right position. Now it's right now, yes, but we can still modify it if we want to, and here we will, if you want to change something, change the precision. So I think it's okay now. Yes, we can take it that way and okay, close. Now I take the dimensions. Yes, this is the best way to start. If you don't go that way, so there will be problem for you to draw forward. So if you put two dimensions in the start, D like dimensions trial and UN for units, so you are now easy to draw. You can also F7 or F8, yes, it's also good if you can draw on dots or without dots, and F8 for perpendicular views. Thank you very much. This is your channel. I am trying to make it better. Thank you very much.